Welcome to Tech Linked, the only tech news show.
That's not exactly true.
The only tech news show. Intel is continuing on the warpath it was set on by warm and cuddly CEO Pat Gelsinger. He's always smiling.
He's a very nice man.
Very nice. And he's so nice that he poached another one of AMD's top graphics architects.
Oh, gotcha!
Rohit Verma, AMD's former lead system architect for discrete GPUs, is now back at Intel. Yeah, he actually left Team Blue in 2013 after 14 years working there and has worked at AMD for the past 8, playing a key role in designing the last few generations of Radeon GPUs, which were actually pretty good.
Were they?
Vega was whatever. For the price, it was pretty good.
Okay.
And RDNA 2 is, you better bet that's pretty good.
Okay.
Yep. Although I'd understand if most gamers didn't know that, not actually being able to buy any.
Bam.
Ha 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 ha.
Shortage, bam.
Ha 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 ha. GPU shortage. Rohit joins Raja Kaduri, the former Radeon graphics chief, in making the blue switch, as I like to call it. I gotta tell you, if Intel's gaming cards aren't good, I will feel like I've wasted so much time talking about them.
Can you imagine they come out and they're just shit?
That would be such an Intel thing to do. Sony has finally unveiled the design of its new PSVR 2 virtual reality headset, along with the finalized design of the PSVR 2 controllers. And let me tell you, this baby looks smooth. I feel like it might just slide right off your face, you know?
Just
goes.
It looks slimy.
Yeah. The PSVR 2 borrows heavily from the PS5's design with a black body covered in white plates. So, D-Brand, we will be expecting you to risk legal action from Sony to design custom plates for this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you weren't aware, this headset is meant specifically for use with the PlayStation 5. So, if you are excited about using Meta's newly announced BuilderBot tool that lets you speak virtual places and objects into existence, PSVR 2 won't help you, or it will, by stopping you from doing that.
Doing you a favor.
Yeah, actually doing you a solid, don't do it.
Do not.
Don't! You get away from
Get
there.
out of that metaverse.
Nope, it's coming!
Okay.
And Nvidia's infamous Ethereum mining limiter on its light hash rate GPUs, which the company described as unhackable, may have been finally well and truly hacked. The developer of the Nvidia RTX LHR V2 unlocker, which is not a mouthful, claims that it will completely unlock the full mining performance of LHR graphics cards when it launches this weekend. This weekend.
Wow.
All of Nvidia's hopes and dreams go down the toilet.
All in.
But before all you crypto nuts eagerly download it into your thirst for digitized coin, beware! There is currently a battle going on in the GitHub comments over whether the tool is actually just malware, with some users posting screenshots of antivirus programs flagging the tool's exe file as malicious. Although this is nothing new for weird third-party things, so you never know. Apparently, GitHub is already looking into it, so hopefully by the time this video comes out, we may have some answers. Personally, I just want to find out if it's real, so I know whether this unhackable meme will survive.
Yeah.
You know what's really unhackable?
What?
Me. And now it's time for the Quick Bits, brought to you by MANSCAPED. Oh, they're into hacking. And their Ultra Premium Collection, the all-in-one skin and hair care kit for the everyday man and covers every body part. Butt, balls, body. That's the three parts. Butt, balls, and body. That's right. The Ultra Premium Kit has shampoo for your butt, body wash for your balls, hydrating spray, and deodorant to make man maintenance easier than ever. And in case you thought man couldn't care about negative impacts in the world, these products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Eye lasers. So, eye lasers. Go to manscaped.com and use promo code TECH for 20% off your order plus free international shipping. If you've never tried Quick Bits before, well, you're about to be bitsed.
What does that mean?
All I can say is hold on. Samsung made a big deal about its new 45-watt charger for the Galaxy S22 lineup, but a number of tech outlets have determined that the difference in charging speed compared to Samsung's 25-watt charger is negligible at best. In fact, GSM Arena found that using a third-party 65-watt charger produces around the same charge in the same time as both of Samsung's chargers. Sure, the phone might be just shy, and we're making it worse by talking about it, but you should still probably avoid shelling out the extra cash for the 45-watt charger. Don't be an enabler.
It should be ashamed.
It
should be shy.
It should be shy. There are some things that you should be shy about. Bethesda has announced that it will be retiring its first-party game launcher app on Windows. Thank you! And will help gamers move their games and DLC to Steam, leading to much rejoicing amongst gamers. I would rejoice!
Yes.
Who saw this coming? This is a Microsoft studio now.
Probably, yeah.
Who have generally hated the app since it launched back in 2016. Yes. It's usually not great to see platforms consolidated like this, but sometimes a monopoly can be good.
Yeah.
Like when you win the board game. Amazon's Astro robot seemed super sketchy when the tech giant announced it last year, but videos are now starting to emerge from early adopters showing the robot creepily but accurately following instructions to roll to a specific room or to find a specific person.
Oh, gross.
Apparently it hasn't fallen down any stairs like it was expected to, but let's hold on to hope.
It still happens.
It could still happen, and when it does, we'll have won. Apple's VR/AR headset is supposedly actually getting closer to launch, with a new DigiTimes report claiming that Apple is now in the second phase validation of the unit's design, with a launch targeted for late 2022.
That's me too.
Oh,
I'm in second phase.
you're gonna launch in late 2022?
I think so.
Honestly, if I was gonna jump into anybody's metaverse, it would probably be Apple's. I'm not even joking. I don't know if I can take many more of Zuck's hydrofoil jokes. Cool, you reclaimed the meme, but now you're killing it.
What even is that? Do people even know what that is? A hydrofoil?
I don't know.
Remember when I did that?
The last time I played with a hydrofoil, it was Diddy Kong Racing. And Elden Ring, the intensely hyped game from Dark Souls developer From Software and Game of Thrones creator George R.R. Martin, is apparently a freaking masterpiece. It's now surpassed Super Mario Odyssey as the highest rated game on OpenCritic. Now that said, it is a Souls-like game, so there's still a healthy amount of suffering involved. But it's the fun kind of suffering,
Yeah,
you know?
You know the kind.
Yeah. And your suffering is now ended, Tech News Night. Come back on Friday for more, because where else are you gonna get it?
Well, there's a few other Paul's Hardware does.
Nowhere!
Oh!